In this video, I will show you how to download Diablo 4 on a PC. So let's jump straight into it. So although there's a few ways you can actually get hold of Diablo 4, the best way to get hold of it is to come across to the official Blizzard website. So what you want to do is come across to blizzard.com and you'll be on the homepage, which should look similar to this. Now you can see straight away it says Diablo 4, the first season is now live, and we've got the buy now button here. If you don't see this, if you just come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto the shop up here. And once you're on the shop, all you want to do is come up to the search box here and go ahead and type Diablo into here. And you will see this is going to bring up a drop down box with all the different versions of Diablo. So you can see for Diablo 4, we've got the Digital Deluxe Edition or the Ultimate Edition. So what you want to do is choose which edition you want and click on that. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select the Ultimate Edition. So this is going to take you across to the purchase page, and again if you look to the right hand side you've got the different editions. You've also got the standard edition as well, but what I'm going to do is leave this on the ultimate edition, and once you've chosen which edition you want to do, what I would recommend is just scrolling down slightly and you're going to see here it says system requirements. If you click onto this, it's going to take you to the requirements that your PC would need in order to run Diablo 4 successfully. So these are the minimum requirements here, but these are the recommended specifications. So as long as you've got the minimum requirements on your system, you will be able to play Diablo 4, but for the best experience you want to go with the recommended specifications, which is over here. So once you've gone ahead and checked that and you're happy and you've got the correct system requirements, what you want to do is just scroll back to the top, and also just down here you can see the differences between the different editions. We've got this little chart here, so you can see on the Digital Deluxe and Ultimate Edition there are some additional features you get, but what you want to do is choose your edition and click the buy now button. So let's go for the Ultimate Edition, just click the blue buy now button here, and if you don't have an account with battle.net you can create one for absolutely free down here. So you want to do that first and then log into your account. You can also do a quick login using Google, Facebook, Xbox and so on and so forth by selecting the button from these options. For this tutorial I'm just going to go ahead and log in with a Google account. And now we're logged in, we're going to be taken to the payment information screen. So what you want to do is click onto this drop down box and choose which option you want to pay with. Of course, dependent on your country will depend on how you can actually pay for the game. So for my example, you can see I've got PayPal, credit or debit card, Alipay, Battle.net balance, Pay by Mobile and PaySafe card. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose credit or debit card. And next what you're going to want to do is fill in your billing information down here. So you just want to fill in the boxes and then click the blue continue to payment button underneath. So after you've entered your billing information, what you then want to do is enter your card details and click the pay now button underneath. Once you've gone ahead and done that, what's going to happen, you're going to have immediate delivery of your order. So what will happen is you'll be able to download the game straight away. And that is all there is to it. So that's how to go ahead and download Diablo 4 on your PC. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.